Welcome to 10GK's class assembly. Today in our assembly we'll be focusing on the topic of inquiry.
So this assembly will make you understand to speak up for yourself and how important the inquiry is.
An inquiry is any process that has the aim of augmenting knowledge, resolving doubt, or solving a problem. A theory of questioning is an account of the various types of inquiry and a treatment of the ways that each type can achieve its aim.
So you can show inquiry by asking the questions: what do I need to know, do, learn, practice, develop, create, connect to test, or to be able to achieve your goal?
Inquiry-based learning includes 6 steps: questioning, investigating, communicating, creating, discussing, and reflecting.
Inquiry-based learning works with students' cognitive development and allows them to develop their higher order thinking skills.
The student's view on inquiry could be learning-based, focuses on investigating, open, question, a problem.
A teacher's view on inquiry. Inquiry-based teaching focuses on moving students beyond the regular view and staying with the realms of critical thinking and understanding.
Regardless of the view, inquiry-based learning aims to develop students' ability to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information.
We interviewed some of our school's teachers and students to convey their thoughts on inquiry. Our phone put together a video to do so.
What is inquiry to you, and when was the most significant time you asked a question or questioned something? Why is inquiry important?
Okay, so do you guys know what inquiry is?
So, it's like when you're asking questions and yeah.
Do you think asking questions is important?
Yes.
Why is it important? You don't know? Do you know why it could be important? I'm saying.
Why do you think?
Because you want to learn something new every day.
Oh, that's a really good answer. Okay, I'm ready.
Why do you think asking questions is really important?
Because you want to learn a new thing every day.
And know what other people think. And like you can learn of other people. When was the most significant time you asked a question or questions?
In maths. Oh, I didn't realise that was the question. What if we change the question to, what's the most significant question that's ever been asked?
My friends, if you want to play with us.
All questions are significant. There are no bad questions. Even if you think it might be a silly question, it won't be, because there'll be somebody else in the room who doesn't know.
Another question that I found really hard, and then we all moved on, but I refused, so I kept on asking my friend and the teachers in the morning when we were doing our first lesson.
I asked who's Pythagoras, and the answer was really good because now I know who Pythagoras is.
At my house.
At your house, what did you ask?
Can I go to the toilet?
We learned that all students from primary and above know what inquiry is.
All questions are significant, so if you ever have a question in class, ask it, because there's probably someone else who's also confused.
Inquiry is not just about asking questions, but it's researching using primary and secondary resources.
It's important to ask questions to further improve your knowledge and understanding on certain topics.
Also, like I said before, you want to learn something new every day.
I'm louder. Okay, I'll be Mr. Kinsella.
Massive legend, yeah!
What do you think Enquiry is?
What do you think it is?
There was a ribbon in my hair.
I knew he was an interesting head.
My hair, you find craft. My head is just like one big WH.
My name is. Yeah.
We believe that inquiry is a lot like speaking up for yourself. When you inquire, you're critical about something and question it. When you speak up for yourself, not only are you critical, but you take action as well. Let's introduce this new rule to the students.
Wait, but with it like this, it seems to be a little too extreme.
It should be fine.
But wouldn't they? Never mind, I guess you're right. Have a new rule.
We have decided to ban bringing packed lunch from home to school.
This rule is terrible. Why would they make us do this?
It's almost as if they don't know anything about a student.
Because they don't know us at all.
See, I told you no one would like the new rule.
You're right. We should have some sort of new platform for the students.
Yeah, some sort of committee or council.
At last, they will listen to our opinion before making a new rule.
Finally!
Why didn't we think of this before?
Oh, wait. We already did.
Students' voice is all about speaking up for yourselves or ourselves. However, people tend to be afraid of doing so. Here are some tips on becoming more confident in speaking up for yourself.
Being open-minded, it is important to understand both sides of the story. If attitude is too extreme, no one will listen.
Recognize no one can invalidate you. You are in complete ownership of your feelings and actions.
Fake it till you make it. It takes time to become comfortable with being assertive. It might help to imagine you are an actor playing a new role.
Currently around the world, students are on strike for climate change. This is an example of how you can bring change. Here's a video about it.
There are tens of thousands of children around the world who are striking for the climate and for their future. Until the politicians act on the climate and give us a future.
The movement is growing so fast. And we are everywhere. We are all over the world right now. And we need to get bigger, grow more.
Please start with us.
3 Fridays for future, children will fill the streets around the world to demand real climate action. It's our job to respond and help build a fossil-free future than you. I think we have passion, we have creation. All we need is more trust, more space, and allow us to make mistakes. We are not kids anymore. We are the new generation.
Thank you for watching our assembly. Hope this makes you understand about the issues around us and how helpful Enquiry is.